Hi there, welcome to OSU Drupal 7 Droplets. This is Joe Finn with Oregon State University's Web and Mobile Services. And today we are going to talk about how to add a user to your OSU Drupal 7 site. So before we get started, we need to have a site that you are registered with as either a manager or an architect. And then we need to get the owned username of the person we want to add to the site. So if you don't know the owned username, it's really easy to find it. Just go to directory.oregonstate.edu and let's do a search on our user. Now you notice sometimes you might end up with a common name, like my boss's name, Michael McDonald. So you want to make sure that you are looking at the right person. In this particular case, we want Michael McDonald with Web and Mobile Services. I'm going to click on his name and then come down to the bottom, and their owned username will be down there under the owned username title. So go ahead and copy that and bring it back to your website. So make sure that you're logged in, and once logged in, go to People, Add CAS Users. Now this is really important. You want to go to Add CAS Users, not the standard Add User. Add CAS Users will actually add some additional information automatically for you. So go ahead and click on that and then paste your user's name in. And you can actually do bulk additions here if you want. Just do one username per line. So for example, if I had another user I wanted to add, I would hit enter and then add that other username underneath this first one. So once you have all your usernames added in, click Create New Account. And it'll take a second to initialize. And then you will see the name of your user put up here in the confirmation message. It's actually a link, so you can go ahead and click on that. And you'll see that when it added Michael, it added his job title, and it also added his work phone here. And that's really all there is to it. So this has been Joe Finn with Oregon State University's Web and Mobile Services, and I hope to see you for future tutorials.